Ever wondered why your website isn't getting the traffic it deserves? Pondered over the puzzle of why your digital marketing strategy isn't driving the desired results? The answer could be lurking in the shadows of search engine optimization, or SEO. In the labyrinth of digital marketing, SEO is the torchbearer. It's the compass that guides every click, every search, every tap to your virtual doorstep. But how can you harness its vast potential? The answer is SEO PowerSuite. SEO PowerSuite is like the Swiss Army knife of digital marketing tools. It's an all-in-one SEO software that brings together 4 cutting-edge tools to supercharge your website's search engine ranking. First off, we have the Rank Tracker. This tool delivers laser-accurate data on where your website stands in over 400 search engines. It's like having your own personal GPS for the digital world, guiding you to the peak of search engine rankings. Next up is the website Auditor. Picture it as your website's personal health checkup. It performs a comprehensive analysis of your website's on-page SEO and pinpoints any issues that might be holding you back. Then, we have the SEO Spyglass. Just as a spyglass lets a sailor see far off land, this tool allows you to scope out your competitors' backlinks. It gives you the intel to chart your course in the vast ocean of digital marketing, helping you navigate around potential pitfalls. And lastly, there's the Link Assistant. Consider this your personal networking expert, helping you establish valuable link partnerships. It's like having a digital handshake with other websites, boosting your online presence and credibility. But SEO PowerSuite isn't just about individual tools. It's about synergy. Each tool complements the other, creating a cohesive and comprehensive SEO strategy. It's about having a full arsenal at your disposal, ready to catapult your website to the top of search engine rankings. And the best part? SEO PowerSuite is incredibly user-friendly. Even if you're new to the world of SEO, the intuitive interface and step-by-step guides make it easy to master. It's a technology that works for you, not the other way around. So, why wait? It's time to take the reins of your digital marketing strategy. It's time to illuminate the path to your website with the beacon of SEO. It's time to supercharge your online presence with SEO PowerSuite. Remember, in the digital world, the race is not to the swift, but to the optimized. So gear up, set your course, and let SEO PowerSuite steer your website to the top of search engine rankings. Embrace the power of SEO PowerSuite today.